In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you step by step how to open the back cover of your Dell Latitude 5320 and upgrade its SSD from 256GB to 512GB for faster and larger storage.
Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings.
First, we will remove the back cover to access the internal components. Start by carefully unscrewing all the screws using the correct screwdriver. Keep each screw in a safe place so you don't lose them. Handle the laptop gently while lifting the cover to avoid bending or scratching the chassis. This step allows safe access to the SSD for the upgrade. In this section, you can see the SSD installed inside the laptop. To remove it, start by carefully taking off the protective cover above the SSD. Use the correct screwdriver to unscrew each screw and keep them in a safe place. Gently lift the cover to avoid damaging any surrounding components, which will give you full access to safely remove the SSD. Now, take your new SSD and carefully place it into the slot. Reattach its protective cover properly and securely, following the order shown in the video. Make sure everything is aligned correctly to avoid any damage to the SSD or surrounding components. Finally, put the back cover of the laptop back in place and secure all the screws. And that's it, your SSD upgrade is complete, simple, and done safely. In this video from Device Doctor, we successfully upgraded the SSD, increasing your storage capacity safely and efficiently. Remember, handling internal components with care is crucial for a long-lasting laptop. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Your support helps us create more professional and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.